No wonder why I do whatever I like. I do what I like. I do. I do what I like. I do. I do what I like. I do.
It's still wet cause you just took a shower. Running on a treadmill and only eating salad. Sound so smart like you graduated college. Like you went to Yale but you probably went to Howard knowing you. Weekend in Miami trying to study by the pool. Couple things do but you always get it done. Might have been a time where I loved her too, but you take that away and you always been the one. I wonder why the moon looks nice, girl. Maybe it's just right for the night. You see niggas coming on too strong, girl. They want you in their life as a wife. That's why you wanna have no sex, why you wanna protest, why you wanna fight for your right. Cause you don't love them boys. Pussy run they think, fuck that no.
I'm back again with a new video and I'm rocking, you know, my Black Girl Magic fro today. I hope you guys like this look I've created. It is I don't know, it's giving me like aquarium vibes, like, you know, under the sea.
Under the sea, under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
Type of vibes and stuff. I'm really liking this look. I don't really know what to call it. I'm gonna come up with something creative and name it like aquarium good look. I don't know. It's just so bright and so pretty, and I haven't done green in any of my makeup looks. I don't think so. So this is like my first green look and whatnot, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. If you want to see this look, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Like, pause the video, subscribe, and then click it so you can watch the video. You know what I mean? Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Check out my last video, and I'm gonna shut up now and we're gonna get right into it.
We're jumping right into this, guys. So I'm starting in my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and this is the first one. I'm going to tap into these two yellow shades, and I'm going to use this as my base shade. I'm going to blend it all over the eye, or mostly all over the crease, and then I'm going to move on to my next shade. Next, I'm tapping into this lime green shade, and I'm going to put this into my crease using my crease brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to blend this in windshield wiper motions and circular motions so that it can blend in nicely and be seamless. Next, I'm going into this darker green shade, and I'm going to put this in the crease just to darken it a bit, and I'm focusing it mainly on the crease and the corner of the crease, not too much towards the front. Now I'm going into this darker green, and I'm going to put this on the corner of my eye and blend it into the crease, focusing mainly on the corner because I want that side to be really dark. And then I'm going to take the same brush I used to blend in the yellow just to blend out the edges so everything can be nice and blended. So I'm tapping into this royal blue shade, and I'm going to put this in the crease, but only in the front part of the crease. I don't know if this really made a difference. You can skip this part if you like. I was just freestyling and kind of did my own thing with this look. Now I'm using this flat top brush and some concealer to cut my crease. I kind of messed up, but watch how I fix it up. Going back into that lime green color, I'm going to pat that onto my lid, just focusing on the front part. Now I'm using my Wet n Wild blue eyeliner, and I'm going to draw a line on my crease just halfway through. Once I'm done with that, I went back into my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I tapped into these two blue shades, and I'm going to put that right next to the lime green, smack in the middle, and I kind of just papped these until the colors start to show. I went back into the lime green shade just to finish up the side, and you know I had to add this part in because Beyonce did her thing on this song, and she slayed, and I was like, so... So I went back into the lime green shade and I got some more just to make sure this color really shows and it's bright. Don't be stingy with your colors. If you really want the colors to show and to be bright, make sure you pat it on, and I promise your colors will be pigmented. I went into this blue shade. It's kind of shimmery, and I just put that right on top to show the color a little bit more. And then I took my concealer again, and I kind of made a wing using my concealer. This is not the right brush to do it. I struggled because I used the wrong brush, but oh wow, it worked out in the end. So I'm just going to cut my crease basically and make a wing liner kind of thing going on here. And then I'm going to start to apply my shadows. So going back into my Beauty Treats 88 palette, I'm going into that shimmery blue, and I'm just going to pat it right in the front, stopping at where the green stops on my crease. And then I'm going to go into the lime green from the Take You to Brazil palette, and I'm going to pat that right there, smack in the middle where the blue is on my crease. And I'm going to go back into the blue, shimmery blue, and I'm going to put that on the end to finish it off. So it's kind of looking like a checkerboard. It's really dope. I really like it. Going back in my Wet n Wild liner, I'm going to draw a thin line right there going around my wing to give a nice shape. Using the extra concealer on my brush, I'm cleaning up the side of my wing, and I actually made a mistake, but I fixed it off camera. If you want a video on how to makeup hacks, comment below and I will make sure to get that to you ASAP. Tapping into my Ruby Kiss highlights, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. All the products I use in this video will be in the description bar below, so make sure you check that out. I put my lashes on off camera, and now I'm going in with my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm going to rub that in all over my face. And then I'm going into my two foundations, my Fit Me and my Black Radiance foundation. My Fit Me is in Hazelnut, and my Black Radiance is in Brownie. Using my beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything in, and I'm going to make sure to get that white concealer from around my eyebrows. Well, it's not really white, but it just doesn't need to be there. Make sure you get that every time. Make sure your concealer around your eyebrows is blended, or that you blend it in with your foundation. Taking my Toffee LA Girl Pro Concealer, I am concealing my nose, my forehead, under my eyes, my cupid's bow, chin, and under my contour. I added my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe, just a little bit, and then I'm going to start blending it with my Beauty Blender, making sure that it's damped just to get that nice dewy kind of look. Moving on, I'm taking my Airspun Translucent Powder and setting all the areas I applied concealer to. Taking my L'Oreal True Match Foundation Powder in C8 or Cocoa, I'm going to dust off all this powder. Going into my Black Radiance contour shade, I'm going to use it to contour my cheeks, under my chin, and around my forehead and my nose, etc., etc. For blush, I'm tapping into the darkest shade in my e.l.f. palette. They do not have names. I'm applying mascara to my lashes. So if you've been subscribed to me for a long time, or you just like watching my videos, then you know I love Ruby Kisses All Over Glow. This is just amazing. It just complements my skin tone so well, and it just never disappoints. But if you have any other highlights that you think will work perfect on my skin tone, make sure you comment below. Back into my Beauty Treats 88 palette, I'm going to go back into that shimmery blue shade, and that is going to be the under eye shade or waterline shade. And it is so pigmented. Like, I just love the way it's looking right now. Like, look at this beat. And I'm using this blue pencil. I don't know where it's from. And I'm just lining my waterline. Now I'm applying mascara to my bottom lash because you know we want them to be popping just like the top. Using my glitter primer from NYX, I'm going to apply this blue glitter. It's blue, but it has pieces of green glitter inside, and it's really dope and pretty. It kind of looks turquoise on camera, but it looks better in person. And I got all my glitters from AliExpress. Now I'm just going to line my lips with my Wet n Wild lip pencil. For my lipstick today, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Pink Cosmo lip gloss, and it has little pieces of glitter in it, which I really like. It is a plumping gloss, and it ranges from $4 to $5 depending on where you get it from. I say cop it. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all the support, guys. I really appreciate it. Remember to always be beautiful and love yourself.